Childhood vaccinations are making headlines lately, with Florida proposing getting rid of requirements for schools. Chris Bryant has the vaccination rates for students in Missouri and what health officials are saying about the effectiveness of the shots.
According to data from the Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services, when it comes to the fully immunization rates of kindergartners from the 2020-2021 school year to now is around 90%.
Vaccines are really an integral part of our public health system. I know there's, questions on, most recently with COVID, what type of research goes into. Years of research, an immense amount of research goes into ensuring to make sure that vaccines are safe and effective.
The rate of kids fully vaccinated against chickenpox sits at 89% since the 2023 school year.
You can tell from across years of history that vaccines do work. If they didn't work, we would not be pretty much in a situation where smallpox has been eradicated. I mean, up until recent years, measles, for example, we were not having cases of measles.
The vaccination rates climb higher to nearly 98% when it comes to 8th graders, with two exceptions, the meningitis and Tdap vaccines. Those are around 91%.
If an individual is not vaccinated, you are going to be at increased risk, especially the pediatric population.
The non-medical exemption rate has climbed slightly each year since 2020, but medical exemptions have held pretty steady.
There are certain medical conditions that you'd basically not want to have a particular vaccination, but it's somewhat far and in between.
The Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services says vaccines are an important part of the health of Missourians of all ages.
Vaccines work. They are the best line of defense, and they help protect those that can't have the vaccines.
If you have questions about vaccinations, health officials say it's best to talk to your doctor about those concerns.
Any physician, any provider, nurse practitioner, PA can certainly have that discussion with you and your family.
To see the data for yourself, we have links inside this story at ky3.com. In Springfield, Chris Bryant, KY3 News.